We all know the feeling of going out to our car and our key fob battery does not work because the key fob is dead. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your key fob so you don't have that panic anymore. And I would like to say a huge thank you to Key Source in Greensboro, North Carolina for the opportunity to film this video. I'll be sure to leave all of their contact information, including their website, in the description box below. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your Lexus key fob. Now, something that I want you to notice about this key fob in particular is this little icon right down here, and it looks like the back of an SUV opening, and it says hold. If you have a Lexus sedan, you're not going to have that because this is a specific to an SUV. However, if you've got a key fob that looks like this, whether it's a sedan or an SUV, this video is going to apply for you on how to replace the battery in it. So don't let that throw you too much. Okay, so what you're going to do is take a look at the bottom of the key fob, flip it down, and you'll see a metal piece right here that goes around the edge, and then there's a little tab right there. You're going to push that tab down, and then you're going to pull out that metal key shank. Okay? Then you're going to take a look at the inside, toward the inside corner of this portion here, and you will see a little slot right there. And so what this is basically a little area that you can take and you can wedge something flat down in there, twist it, and this will pop open. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. Now let me tell you something about these key fobs. This is plastic, it dries out over time, and it can become brittle. What I want you to do is use extreme caution whenever you are, putting this in here in order to open it up, because that can be brittle, okay? So then place it in there very gently, very carefully, turn it, and look at that. It popped right open. So then we're going to open the key fob. And look, you see that? That is our little battery. And this one, on it says CR1632 at the very top of it. CR1632. I'm going to take this same flathead screwdriver and very gently put it down in there, and look, it just comes right out. See that? Some key fobs, you place the key batteries face down. In this one, make sure you put it back face up, because that's how we pulled it out. All right, I've got my new battery, and so I'm going to just wedge it down in there just like this. And there it is. Then we're going to take the key fob back, put it back in place where we got it from. Boom, pop it back in, and you can see this is good to go, because watch this. There's a little light right here in the corner when I hit the unlock button. You see that? That lets us know that we have properly replaced our battery. All right, everybody, that's how you replace the battery in your Lexus key fob. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, hit that subscribe button, and also remember to check out Key Source in Greensboro, North Carolina. Without them, this video would not be possible, and I want to say another thank you to them. I'll be sure to leave their contact information, including their website, in the description box below. But remember, the most important thing, have a wonderful day, everybody.